Hi, brother teacher here. I spoke with you not too long ago about the condition called gout, which is a form of arthritis, which is the result of an increased level of uric acid, which is primarily a waste product from the body that is rampant in the body, in the bloodstream, through the kidneys, and then eventually ending up in an accumulation in the joints, causing pain, causing inflammation, causing crystallization, if you will. And oftentimes, gout uh, is associated with arthritis in the toes or the feet, the ankles, and the knee, even. And this can even cause over time deformation. Your bones can get out of alignment and it can be degenerative, if you will. So, what do you do about gout? Let's correct the problem. What caused the problem in the first place? Some of the key components to gout, what causes gout, in other words, are your diet. 99.9% of the things associated with our illnesses and with our health issues or problems, cancers and diabetes and things of this sort, are the direct result of diet. Misinformation, bad habits, the frequency or lack thereof of eating the proper things. So stop your processed foods. That's a culprit as relates to gout, or could be. The other thing is on the top of the list is sugar, processed sugar, high fructose corn syrup. That contributes to gout as well. And the other thing is animal protein. Eating animal protein. It wasn't designed for the human body. Even though we love it, it's in our culture, it's a part of our everyday lives, and it has been since we were all children. It doesn't make it right. It is very difficult for your body to process animal protein. By nature, by our physiology, we are actually herbivores that eat meat. We are herbivores that eat meat. So, with that said, I'm not trying to discourage you from eating meat. You can do what you want to do. I'm just the messenger. I'm just telling you. We chew our food. True carnivores bite their food off of their prey and swallow. Look at a shark, look at alligators, look at lions and tigers. They bite chunks of food off of their prey and they swallow. On the other side of that coin, look at chimpanzees, gorillas, any animal in the ape family. Look at giraffes, look at zebras, deer, gazelles, buffaloes. They chew food like that. Now that's your answer right there. We are defying our nature. And so we're going to receive the benefit or the lack of benefit based on how we eat or don't eat. It's really that simple. It's not complicated. So now, what's a remedy for gout? First of all, outside of the obvious thing, you're going to have inflammation, pain, swelling, and so forth. Use ice packs when necessary for swelling, heat for comfort, if you will. Elevate your legs at night on a pillow above your heart. So that will help. Keep moving. That's really going to help. Now, to alleviate or to mitigate the whole situation, stop the bad diet. Take the processed foods out of your diet. You know what processed means. If you don't, please look it up. I don't want to tell you every single detail, and there are some things that you can do on your own. And the things that you do on your own, you appreciate more, and then you are more convicted and convinced. So now, a couple things you can do. Make sure that you drink plenty of fluids to help flush the waste out through your urine from your kidneys. Make sure you alleviate slash the word alleviate. You get rid of the soda pops, Pepsis, and all of the colas and all of the other sodas. Get rid of that out of your diet. All of the sweetened beverages, take it out your diet. Okay? Make sure, it's going to be hard for some, maybe hard for many, because of customs and traditions. Take the meat out your diet as much as you possibly can, especially the red meat. Don't eat it in excess. Now, it's up to you how much you take out your diet. I can't stand in your kitchen with you and say, well, you know, that's too much and that's enough. No, I'm not going to do that. You're an adult. Figure it out. If you truly do need some help, ask me. Now, the other thing you want to take out of your diet, I heard this from Dr. Berg, chocolate, excess chocolate. If you eat a lot of chocolate, that can cause gout as well. Now, I was not aware of that, but I'm just giving you this piece of information. Excess chocolate, and most definitely, I do know animal protein and high levels of processed sugar. Keep that out of your diet. And on the flip side of that, the healthy thing that you should do and can do, you can take, I would recommend for 4 days, a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and right before you go to bed for 4 days. And what this is going to do is help to alkalize your body, your blood and your kidneys. It's going to be a bit salty. Do it anyway. First thing in the morning for 4 days, teaspoon, not a heaping teaspoon, teaspoon of baking soda, 12 ounces of warm water, stir it up good, drink it on an empty stomach. It's going to send you to the bathroom in most instances. I will tell you that, so don't leave the house right away. That's one remedy. And the other thing too is to make sure that this is going to be your major habit, and that's eating plenty of vegetables and some fruits, but more vegetables than fruits. Fruits contain a lot of sugar. Eat more vegetables. Okay, putting those minerals and those vitamins in your bodies that you need. Okay, and in terms of balance, here's your meat, here's your vegetables. It should be in that proportion. This is how far your vegetables should be from your meats. Your meats are down here. Okay, so this should help provide you some remedy. This should help to eliminate and or eradicate, if you will, the symptoms of gout and gout, period. Now, if this is the early stage of gout and you're feeling some symptoms, start now, please. Don't wait until it's too late. Never. Okay, that was it, and that was all. Brother Teacher again. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, be healthy, okay?